In this video, I am going to tell you how to make your Facebook profile completely private on mobile phone. So welcome to another video of TechSource. First, open Facebook application. To make your profile completely private, first go click on these three lines. Now click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. Click on privacy checkup. Now click on who can see what you share. Click on continue. All these options should be on only me. So click on the drop down and select only me. All of your birth date, your email, select all, only me, friends and following list. Drop down list, click on only me. And the last one, who can see the people, pages and list you follow. Click on this. Now click on only me. Now these settings are done. Make sure all these drop down list select only me. Now go click on next. Here is post and stories. You decide who you want to see your post and stories. Default audience. Your default audience is set to friends. This will be your audience for future post, but you can always change it for a specific post. So just click on this drop down list, and here is no option for only me. You can click on friends accept. How to find only me? So click on see more, and here is the option only me. You can select specific friends also, or you can select, because it's a post and story. If you have posted something, so you have posted to show to someone or your friends, so you can select specific friends, or you can accept someone from your story viewing, or you can click on friends also. So I'm suggesting keep it on friends. Now go back, and stories same as post, because you have posted something for someone, for your friends only, so just keep it as friend. Now click on next. From here you can block any particular person that you don't want to see your profile on Facebook, so just block that account. So after doing this, click on next, and done. You are all set. Thank you for reviewing who can see what you share. You can make changes at any time in setting. So now click on review another topic. Now the second thing is how people can find you on Facebook. Click on this. Now click on continue. So here is the option for you are in control of who can send you friend request. So click on this drop down list, and for example, if you have one friend and that one friend have 3 more friends, so that 3 more friend can also send you friend request. That is meant by friends of friends. Or you can also click on everyone, because it is just a friend request. If you want to confirm it, otherwise click on delete. So I am suggesting click on everyone, and if you want to accept it, click on confirm. If you do not want to accept it, click on delete. So now click on next, and here is the main setting, phone number and email. So if you want to make your account completely private, this is the main setting for that. Your number and email should be private, so make sure it is on only me. So click on all both drop down list and select only me option, and now click on next. Here is the option for search engines. Search engines like Google can link to your profile to help people find you more easily. If you turn this off, your profile can still be found on Facebook if people search for your name. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? For example, if someone search your account name on Google, so Google can share your Facebook account link to Google. If you do not want that, then toggle this off. To private your account, it is must to toggle it off. So just toggle it off. Now go back, click on next, and you are all set. Now click on review another topic. Now the third one is your data settings on Facebook. Click on this, click on continue. Apps and website. Here the apps and website from other companies you have used Facebook to log into and have recently used. You can remove any that you no longer want to use. So here I don't have any website to remove. If you have any website to remove, just remove that website or app from here. Now click on next. Now the last option is location. You are in control of who sees your location on Facebook products. You can turn off location services at any time in your device setting. So your location is a very important part of privacy. So if you want to make your account more private, so just go to device setting, click on this, go to device setting and deny this. Allow Facebook to access your location, click on deny. Now click on next. You are all set. Now click on review another topic, and the last option is your ad preferences on Facebook. Click on this, click on continue, scroll down, click on next, and toggle that off, so the ad reviewer can't see your relationship status, your employer status, your job title, your education. So your account is totally private. No one can see anything of your account. So your ads are not based on your interest. So if you want your ad as per your interest, then you can toggle this on anytime, but to make your account private, so just toggle that off. Now click on next, and the last option is who can see your social interaction alongside ads. Means if I have liked any page, so my friend can see that Heba Khan liked the page. My account name is Heba Khan and I have liked a page. So my friend can see this, Heba Khan liked the page. So if you do not want your friends see this, so just click on this drop down menu and select it only me. Now click on next. Done, you are all set. So in this way you can make your Facebook profile completely private. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechSoar.